Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 71. Discover Emperor Caracalla, who ruled from AD 211 to 217 with ambition and ferocity. After seizing power by murdering his brother Geta, Caracalla's reign was a blend of innovation and brutality. He's famed for the Constitutio Antoninianum in AD 212, extending Roman citizenship to all free men in the empire, a strategic move to boost tax revenue. Yet, his rule is also remembered for merciless purges of perceived enemies. Caracalla's contributions to Rome include the magnificent baths of Caracalla, even as his tyranny cast a long shadow. His death, by assassination, ended a reign that forever changed the fabric of Roman society.